Hello, my name is Brock Freeman. I'm the COO and co-founder of Kirkland Capital Group.
Hello, I'm Chris Carsley, the CIO and co-founder of the Kirkland Capital Group.
You're likely watching this because you're looking for high yield, lower risk, or principal preservation focused fixed income returns. Returns that are paid as a monthly dividend or reinvested and compounded monthly. These are exactly the reasons we have the Kirkland Income Fund to deliver on this challenging defined combination. We're going to give you some background and share with you three important aspects about KCG and the Kirkland Income Fund. 1. Why real estate debt works for this type of investment.
2. How what KCG is built is investor focused.
And 3. What the positive social and environmental impact is.
First though, the Kirkland Income Fund might be the right investment, but an alternative investment may not be right for you. If you're not able to commit funds for at least a year, or you're looking for absolutely no risk, if those are issues for you, you may want to stay with savings accounts and CDs. If you're looking for better returns though, let's cover these three aspects.
1. Why real estate debt investing? Kirkland Capital Group originated from an opportunity to provide investors high yield fixed income returns with a focus on capital preservation through what we call microbalance commercial real estate bridge lending. This is an opportunity because most non-bank lenders will not consider commercial real estate bridge loans under $1 million. This is due to their extensive manual processes. Our technology background enables us to leverage this opportunity. It is also an opportunity for capital preservation. First lien mortgages against income-producing commercial real estate at a reasonable loan-to-value and conservatively underwritten have historically been a place of safety in down economies. This is especially true for multifamily properties, as everyone needs a place to live.
Aspect number 2, investor focused. Investors benefit from the alignment in fees, expenses, operations, and compliance that we built into the Kirkland Income Fund. This alignment was possible due to the structural foundation in real estate and our investment management background. Investors also gain confidence with the transparency of being audited and our willingness to showcase property information for loans in the fund. This is the principal preservation focused, higher return fund that allows us to sleep peacefully at night with a substantial amount of our own money and our family's money invested. Now, just those two aspects would be good enough for most investment funds. However, let's not stop there.
And that brings us to aspect 3. What we love about this opportunity is not just that it builds and fortifies your wealth, but it also does well and does good and allows you to do so. Kirkland Capital provides financing for the backbone of America, commercial property that is home to small and medium-sized businesses, as well as loans that contribute to the rehabilitation of middle-income affordable housing, making a positive social and environmental impact. In addition to building their own financial security, many of our borrowers transform rundown Class C apartments into Class B apartments that house our vital community members such as teachers, nurses, and first responders. We are also honored to back minority borrowers and those working to provide housing improvements in minority neighborhoods. In addition, improvements to the quality of existing houses and commercial buildings via renovation significantly boost socioeconomic conditions such as employment and mental health. Renovation also has a positive environmental impact to greenhouse gases and carbon outlay compared to new construction.
With these three aspects, it is with confidence that we label the Kirkland Income Fund family of investors a force that is generating positive social and environmental impact alongside a good financial return. Join our investment family.